Hi, I'm Michelle Camp, the Director of Career Education for Pulaski County Special School District. I'm excited to begin this role as we prepare students for high-wage, high-demand careers. Whether students choose to enlist, employ, or enroll, we want to make sure that our students are ready for life beyond high school. Community service learning is a key graduation requirement that prepares our students by giving them leadership, responsibility, and real-world skills before they leave high school. There's an important legislative update that impacts how students document their community service learning hours through Act 803 that applies to students in the class of 2027 and beyond. Now, parents or legal guardians can document and verify the required 75 hours of community service. You must attest that the student completed the service. Please note that the Arkansas Department of Education can audit these hours for accuracy. This update provides more flexibility for families in tracking and verifying community service requirements for high school graduation. At PCSSD, we are already ahead of the game with our online platform, MobileServe. Through MobileServe, our students can log, track, and reflect on their community service learning hours. MobileServe is a system that parents or community service organizations will use to verify community service hours in compliance with the law. You can learn more and get started by visiting our Community Service Learning page on the PCSSD website. Rachel Blackwell, our Instructional Technology Facilitator, will now walk you through the steps of how you can begin using MobileServe today.
Hey, my name is Rachel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into MobileServe, whether on the computer or on your phone, how to log hours, and then how a parent or supervisor can verify your hours. You can go to mobileserve.com on any browser or go to your PCSSD portal and click on the link. Once you log in, you can log in with your Google credentials, but you may need to accept some permissions in order to do that. Once you log in, you can see your hours there, the pending hours, and your total hours. You can also log hours. Here, you choose your date, choose how many hours you volunteered at that activity, and where you volunteered. If a drop-down menu comes but you don't need those hours, you can just click away. At this drop-down, you'll put who initiated the community service hours, and then put what you did at the community service event. Make sure you answer all the following questions and complete before you go on to the next part. On this page, you'll put your supervisor's name. If you don't have a supervisor, you can put your guardian's name and your guardian's email. If for some reason your guardian doesn't have an email, you can also put your PCSSD email address and have your parent approve it from there. Please add photos if you have them available. After you submit your hours, your supervisor, parent, or your parent from your email address can go in and click on the email and approve these hours. So they hit review and it takes them to another screen. And from here, they can select the hours and verify them.